Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your Gray account efficiently. First, open the PayPal app and log in. Tap on the wallet icon to access your PayPal balance. This is where you start transferring funds. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, go ahead and add one. Select your bank, enter the necessary bank details, and save. This step is crucial for enabling fund transfers. Once your bank is linked, tap on your PayPal balance and select the transfer option. You'll see two transfer speed choices: faster transfers, which charge a small fee of 25 cents, and slower transfers, which are free but take 1 to 3 business days. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Make sure to select the correct linked bank account for the transfer. If you need to change it, you can do so before finalizing. Finally, click the Transfer button to move the money out of PayPal. Next, open your Gray account and log in. From the dashboard, check your account currency settings and change or add currency if necessary, supporting currencies like GBP, USD, NGN, or EUR. To receive the funds, choose the bank transfer payment method. Enter the amount you want to add and continue to the review screen. Double-check all details, including bank account information, before confirming the transfer. Once everything is verified, complete the transaction. The money will then be transferred from your linked bank account into your Gray account. And that's it, a simple and straightforward way to move money from PayPal to your Gray account. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.